What's up, guys? So a few days ago, I was researching faceless channels, and during my research, I came across a channel that surprised me. Look at this channel, it has over 1 million subscribers. Yet the channel only uploaded 45 video shorts. The creator primarily uploads videos about animals and pets, which people love to watch. This is the main reason for the huge number of subscribers on this channel, and the chances of this niche going viral are very high. For example, consider the success of this channel. It was created almost a year ago. Now let's look at the monthly and yearly earnings of this channel on Social Blade. As you can see, this channel earns $4,000 monthly and $54,000 yearly by uploading simple videos. If we look at the popular videos on this channel, you'll see that each video has millions of views. You can also earn money by uploading similar videos on TikTok. So now we know that we can earn from this niche. But wait, do you know how to create such videos? Don't you worry, because I am going to show you step by step how to create these videos very easily. I know you are eager to get started, but wait, have you subscribed to my channel? Because I found out that 96% of you have not subscribed yet. So please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. So let's not waste any more time and get to the video. First, we need a cute animal video for this. We will use a Chinese app. You can also use various other apps like Douyin, which is the Chinese version of TikTok, but we will use apps like Kuaishou or Xiaohongshu. Personally, I will use the Xiaohongshu app, but you can choose another app if you like. If you are using the Play Store or App Store, simply search for Xiaohongshu and download register on the app. If the app does not work in your region, you can use a VPN. After registration, you will see an interface like this. Select the categories you are interested in. You need to select 4 categories here. Now I will share a quick hack with you to easily find trending pet videos on this app. Before selecting your categories, make sure to select the pets and animals category first, and then select the other categories. If you follow this trick, trust me, you will see more pet videos on this app. Then explore the pet videos with high views and engagement. Don't download videos with less than 100K views. Now let's download the videos. After some exploration, I found this interesting video. Click on it and copy its link. After copying the link, go to this website here. You will find downloaders for many apps like TikTok, Facebook, etc. You will also find downloaders for Chinese apps. The best part of this website is that it is completely free, and you don't need to log in or sign up. Now I will click on Xiaohongshu and paste the link. We copied from the app. Click on Submit. And this website will give us a thumbnail for our video. So I will download both the thumbnail and the video. Now let's download another video with subtitles and caption. This one looks perfect. So let's download it. Next, we need to repurpose the videos we downloaded. To do this, we simply need to edit the videos and add some humor and originality. First, let's get some funny captions for the first video. We will use ChatGPT for this. Describe the video scenes to ChatGPT and ask for funny and short caption. So as you can see, ChatGPT has prepared captions for us in just a few seconds now. You might be wondering why we are adding captions. Captions make the video very unique and engaging, so viewers don't get bored while watching it. This greatly increases the chances that viewers will like your video. Now let's move on to the next step, which is video editing. I recommend using CapCut, which is very easy to use. Let's open CapCut. Once CapCut is open, you need to set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is used for short-form content, like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Then click on Save. Now we need to import the video we downloaded into CapCut and bring it onto the timeline next. You need to turn off the sound of the video. If you don't turn off the video sound, you might face copyright issues. So it's a must to turn off the sound to do this right. Click on the video, click on Extract Audio, and then delete the audio. Then you need to add your own audio to do this. Go to the audio section and select Commercial. Add the audio that matches your video. I like this audio, so I will add it and adjust its length according to the video. Now we need to add caption. We will use the captions generated by ChatGPT. I like this caption, so I will use it to add captions. Simply click on text and paste your caption. There. Move the playhead to where you want to add the caption. I want to add the caption at the beginning, so I will move the playhead to the start and paste the caption there. You can easily change the font size, and font color. According to your preference, I will make some adjustments and show you the final product.
A few moments later.
Here's our final product. Once your video is ready, you need to export it in a few steps. I hope you understood the entire process. Now you just need to create a new Shorts channel and upload pet videos consistently. Following the steps I showed you in this video, you can also earn thousands of dollars monthly, very easily if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Let me know in the comments what topic you want the next video to be on. Until then, bye-bye.